Blood is red in color due to the presence of. Blood is red in color due to the presence of hemoglobin. The presence of hemoglobin is the cause of is the reason for the color of the blood. The blood is red because of the presence of hemoglobin. Red blood cells contain a molecule called hemoglobin, which binds and transport oxygen through our bodies. Hemoglobin is made up of four protein. Hemoglobin is made up of four protein chains that each bind an additional ring shaped chemical structure called heme. Our red blood cells are red because of the heme group in hemoglobin. Why is the color of human blood red? That is because of presence of hemoglobin. Because of hemoglobin, the color of human blood is red. If there is no hemoglobin, the color of human blood is not red. The color of human blood is red because the presence of hemoglobin. Next, a condition characterized by abnormal increase in the number of red cells in the circulatory blood is called polycythemia. Polycythemia is a condition when the abnormal increase in the number of red cells, when your RBC are increased in a large quantity, in a large number, that is called polycythemia. Excess of RBC, excess मतलब the more than required, excess of RBC causes polycythemia. RBCs carry oxygen with and bring back CO2. Anemia is the result of deficiency of RBC. If the RBC is low, if anybody have a deficiency of RBC, that disease is called anemia. And if anybody have excessive RBCs, that situation called polycythemia. Which type of red blood cell secrete histamine? Which type of red blood cells secrete histamine? Serotonin. Which type of red blood cell secrete histamine, serotonin, heparin, etc., and are involved in inflammatory reaction. That is monocytes. I think that is basophils. Basophils are the type of the white blood cell. Which basophils are the type of the white blood cell which contain granulated cytoplasm. The granules in the cytoplasm contain the molecules histamine, heparin, and serotonin. एक मिनट. Heparin and serotonin, which are released during the allergic reaction. Heparin is the anticoagulant. Anticoagulant means who are responsible for the not blood clotting inside the body, because if the blood clotting happen inside the body, it is harmful to our body, and our organism are collapsed by if the our coagulation is happening inside the body. So heparin is the anticoagulant, histamine is allergic agent, and serotonin affects the motor activities. Which of the following is true? Red blood cell are devoid of nucleus and are biconvex in shape, wrong. Red blood cells are nucleated and are biconcave in shape, wrong. Red blood cells are nucleated and are biconcave convex in cell shape, wrong. Red blood cells are devoid of nucleus. Devoid of nucleus, yes, devoid of nucleus, and are biconcave in shape. Biconcave, not biconvex, biconcave in shape. Red blood cells are also referred to as red cells, red blood capsules, hematids, erythroid cells, or erythrocytes are the most common type of blood cell and the vertebrates. Principal means of delivering oxygen CO2 to the body tissue. Principal means of delivering oxygen to the body tissue through circulatory system. Red blood cells are devoid of nucleus, are biconcave in shape. In humans, mature red blood cells are flexible and oval biconcave disc. They lack of cell nucleus and most organelles to accommodate maximum space for hemoglobin with a plasma membrane. 2.4 million new erythrocytes are produced per second in human adult. Red blood cells have an average lifespan of 120 days, after which they are destroyed. In the red blood cell have an average life of 20 to 120 days. Red blood cells have an average life of 120 days. Red blood cell have average life of 120 days, which they are destroyed in the after which 120 दिन के बाद ये कहाँ अपने आप को नष्ट कर लेती हैं? इन द स्प्लीन. Red blood cells experience difficulty in negotiating the narrow pores in splenic sinusoids. These cells get trapped and engulfed by splenic macrophages. The average life of normal human blood red cells is found to be 120 plus minus days, and after which they are destroyed in the spleen. Pleha. Size varies from 6 to 8 micrometer μm in diameter. The lifespan of WBC is around 3 to 5 days, and size varies from 12 to 7 μm in micrometer in diameter. So the lifespan of WBC is 3 to 5 days, and the size of WBC is 12 to 7 μm, and the size of RBC is 6 to 8 μm. What is the average life of red blood cell in human body? That is around 120 days. Which of the following white blood cells is a type of granulocytes? Which of the following white blood cells is a type of a granulocyte? That is lymphocyte. Lymphocyte is a type of a granulocytes. A granulocyte or non-granulocytes, also mononuclear leukocytes, are one of the two types of white blood cells, also known as leukocyte. The two types of granulocytes in the blood circulations are lymphocytes and monocytes, and these make up about 35% of the hematologic blood values. Granulocyte are three types belongs to granulocyte. These are eosinophils are granulocytes. Basophils are granulocyte, neutrophils are granulocyte, and agranulocyte, lymphocyte are belongs to agranulocyte. Monocyte are agranulocytes. Are the most abundant cell 60 to 65% of the total white blood cell. WBC का 60 to 65% क्या होता है? WBC का 60 to 65% क्या होता है? Are the most abundant cell of the total white blood cell. white blood capsules का 60 to 65 क्या होता है? That is neutrophils. Neutrophils are normally found in the blood stream and are the most abundant type of phagocyte, constituting 60 to 65% of total circulating white blood cells and consisting of two subpopulations, neutrophils killers and neutrophils killers. Phagocytic cells that engulf and kill microbes, bacteria, fungi and protozoa. A person with blood group is called a universal donor. That should be A negative. Yes. A person with blood group is called a universal donor. O negative. Blood types were first discovered by an Austrian physician, Karl Landsteiner in 1900. A blood type is classification of blood based on the presence and absence of antibodies and inherited antigenic substances on the surface of red blood cells. These antigens may be proteins, carbohydrates, glycoproteins or glycolipids. Depending on the blood group system, there are four main types of blood group. There are four main types of blood groups. These are AB, O. Group O is called a universal donor. The plasma contains both anti-A and anti-B antibodies, but the surface of the RBC does not contain any A or B antigens. Since these antigens are not present, a person with any ABO blood type can receive this type of blood. Individuals with blood group are called universal donor, that is O, and O may be O positive or O negative. That should be O negative, because examiner also give the both option in the question. A person with blood group is called a universal donor, and students are confused which is right, O positive or O negative. So when the both option are mentioned in the question paper, you should prefer O negative as a universal donor. Both hemoglobin and myoglobin require for formation. Hemoglobin and myoglobin require for formation iron. Myoglobin and hemoglobin are hemiproteins whose physiological importance is principally related to their ability to bind molecular oxygen. The oxygen carried by hemiproteins such as hemoglobin and myoglobin is bound directly to the ferrous ion Fe2+. Atom of the hemiphosphatic group both contain iron containing protein as their central metal. Both are globular protein and both have the ligand as oxygen. Which of the following statement is not correct regarding the Bombay blood group? Okay. A person with this blood group may receive blood only from a person with O blood group. It is deficient in expressing H antigen. It was first discovered in 1952 by Dr. B.M. Bhende. It has neither A or nor B antigen. Which of the following statement is not correct according to Bombay blood group? That is option A, because a person with this blood group may receive blood only from a person with O blood group. Note, it is wrong. The Bombay blood group person does not receive the blood group from also the blood group O person. It is only get the blood by the Bombay blood group person. That's why it is wrong, and all three options are correct. Why? It is deficient in expression H antigen. Yes, the Bombay blood group does not have H antigen. It was first discovered in 1952 by Dr. B.M. Bhende. Yes, it is right. It has neither A or nor B antigen. Yes, it have absence of both the antigen A or B. Option A is not correct statement regarding to Bombay blood group. The Bombay blood group is a rare blood group. Phenotypes of this group lacking H antigen on the red cell membrane and have antigen H in the serum. It fails to express any A, B or H antigen on their red cells or other tissue. The existence of human HH genetic polymorphism was first established by Dr. B.M. Bhende in 1952. Are the most abundant of all the cells in blood. Are the most abundant of the all the cell in blood. If examiner asks the most abundant cell in white blood cell, that is nephrocytes, and if the examiner asks the most abundant of all the cells in blood, that should be erythrocyte, because erythrocytes are red blood capsules, and red blood capsules are the most abundant cell in human body. Most abundant cell in human body is erythrocytes, red blood cells, 4.5 to 5.5 million per milliliter. Platelets are 1.4 lakh to 4 lakh per milliliter पर ml, 1,40,000 से 4 लाख पर ml. White blood cells are 5,000 to 10,000 per ml. Neutrophils, lymphocytes and basophils are all included in this number. Erythrocytes are tiny biconcave disc. Erythrocytes are tiny biconcave discs, thin in the middle and thicker around the periphery. The primary function of erythrocyte is to transport oxygen and to a lesser extent and carbon dioxide. Respiratory system. A large muscular sheet called form the floor of the chest cavity. A large muscular sheet called form the floor of the chest cavity, that is diaphragm. Diaphragm is a muscular sheet that forms the floor of the chest cavity. Diaphragm. A large muscular sheet called diaphragm form the floor of the chest cavity? How many molecules? How many? How many? How many molecules of ATP are obtained by the respiration of one molecules of glucose? How many molecules of ATP are obtained by the respiration of one molecule of glucose? That is 38. 38 ATP molecules can be made per oxidized glucose molecule during cellular respiration. 2 from glycolysis, 2 from Krebs cycles, and about 30 sorry, and about 30 from the electron transport system ETS. Cellular respiration takes place in the cytoplasm and partially in the mitochondria. ATP produced in glycolysis equal to 6 plus 24 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 38 ATP. In our body is a cartilaginous box which help in sound production, that should be larynx. The larynx, commonly called the voice box or glottis, is the passageway for air between the pharynx above and the trachea below. During heavy exercise, we get cramps in the legs due to the accumulation of lactic acid. During heavy exercise, we get cramp in the leg due to the accumulation of lactic acid. During heavy exercise, fast running, cycling, walking for many hours, or heavy weight lifting, the demand for energy is high, but the supply of oxygen to produce the energy is limited. Then anaerobic respiration takes place in the muscle cells to fulfill the demand of energy. The cramps occur when muscle cells respire anaerobically. The partial breakdown of glucose produces lactic acid. The accumulation of lactic acid causes muscle cramps. So muscle cramps. Why one feel tired at the high mountain peaks? Why one feel tired at the high mountain peaks? Because of high pressure outside the body, because of low temperature, because of high temperature, because of low pressure outside the body. That should be option number D, because of the low pressure outside the body. As we go up from Earth surface, the air pressure decrease, which also decrease the oxygen availability, which ultimately result in the difficulty of breathing and increase breathing rate. The people who are residing at higher altitude, they have more number of RBCs than the people residing at the plains. Which part of the human respiratory system provides space for the exchange of gases? That is alveoli. Which part of the human respiratory system provide space for the exchange of gases? Alveoli. Gas exchanges take place in the millions of alveoli in the lungs and the capillaries that envelop them. Inhaled oxygen moves from the alveoli to the blood in the capillaries, and carbon dioxide moved from the blood in the capillaries to the air in the alveoli. Alveoli are tiny balloon shaped structures and are the smallest passageway in the respiratory system. 1 cubic millimeter of lung tissue contains around 170 alveoli. Which of the following part of human body extract the carbon dioxide brought by the blood from the rest part of the body? That is alveoli. Alveoli. Alveoli is a bunch-like structure where the lungs and the blood exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide during the process of breathing. Larynx, also known as voice box or glottis, is the passageway for air between the pharynx and trachea. Lungs have a large number of alveoli. 4. Lungs have a large number of alveoli for more surface area for diffusion of gases. Lungs have a large number of alveoli for more surface area for diffusion of gases. Lungs are the primary organs of respiration. Lungs are the primary organs of respiration. The three carbon molecule produced during the process of respiration is called pyruvate. 3 carbon molecule formed during cellular respiration is known as pyruvate या pyruvate. During respiration, glucose breaks down into carbon dioxide and energy which is stored in the form of ATP. The oxidized or used material during profit and loss is known as substrate. Carbohydrate, fats and protein are such substrates. During inhalation, the ribs move upwards. When you inhale, your chest cavity is raised. It's gone upwards. Inhalation is the process of taking oxygen inside the body. Inhalation is the act of exhaling air taken in and in passive. Exhalation is the act of exhaling air taken in and in passive. The diaphragm relaxes, moving upward into the chest cavity. During exhalation, the diaphragm moves downward and inwards, decreasing the space in the chest cavity. This increases the air pressure inside the lungs and force the air out of the lungs. Normal range of breathing rate per minute in an average adult person at rest is 12 to 18 per minute. Respiratory rate. A person's respiratory rate is the number of breaths they take per minute. The normal respiration rate for an adult at rest is 12 to 20 breaths per minute. A respiration rate under 12 or over 25 breaths per minute while resting is considered abnormal. During exhalation, the ribs move downwards. During exhalation, the diaphragm moves up and ribs move downwards and inwards, decreasing the space in the chest cavity. The increase the air pressure inside the lungs and forces the air out of the lungs. They contract to pull rib cage both upward and outward when inhale. Match the item given in column with those in column A. B. Diaphragm. Diaphragm is chest cavity. Diaphragm is chest cavity. Diaphragm is chest cavity. Fix is take the breath by the gills. Frogs by the, I think so, first. It should be first. 2 4 2 4. Yes. Frog are lungs and skin, and cockroach are spiracles. Sorry. Diaphragm, animals and respiratory medium. Diaphragm chest cavity. Human have diaphragm chest cavity. Fish have gills. Frog take breath by the lungs and skin. Cockroach have spiracles respiratory medium. During heavy exercise, breathing rate in an average adult person can increase up to 25 per minute. During exercise, lungs and respiratory system must provide more oxygen to blood. You will breathe harder and faster because respiratory muscles are stimulated for sympathetic nervous in order to increase the rate of breathing. If the exercise is intense, breathing rates may increase from a typical resting rate of 15 beats per minute up to 40 to 50 beats per minute. Hence, during heavy exercise, the breathing rate can increase up to 25 times. Match the item given in column with those in column B. Frog, lungs and skin. Frog have a respiratory system of lungs and skin. Frog have respiratory system of lungs and skin. Leaves take breath by the stomata. Leaves take breath by stomata. Earthworm take breathe by skin. Breathe by skin. So it is answer is A. Frog, lungs and skin. Leaves, stomata. Earthworm, skin. Muscles get tired when there is shortfall of ATP, because ATP is a energy. Muscles get tired when there is shortfall of ATPs. When the ATP supply fails to meet the consumption of ATP during exercise, fatigue occurs. To maintain the ATP-ADP ratio, 2 molecules of ADP may be converted to 1 molecule of ATP and 1 molecule of AMP. Anaerobic respiration refers to which of the following? Respiration without oxygen, respiration with oxygen, respiration without CO2, respiration with CO2. Respiration without oxygen is called an anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic means without air. Aero means air and N is a negative prefix. So anaerobic means without air. Anaerobic means without air. Anaerobic means without air. Respiration in the absence of oxygen. To produce the energy they require, this is called as anaerobic respiration. Muscles need oxygen and glucose to respire aerobically and produce the energy they require. These are carried to the muscles through the blood. For vigorous exercise, but our heart and lungs would not be able to get sufficient oxygen to our muscles in order for them to respire. In this case, muscles carry out anaerobic respiration. ग्लूकोज 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 लैक्टिक एसिड प्लस एनर्जी में टूटता है. What is the receptor? What is the receptor related to blood pressure detection? What is the receptor related to blood pressure detection? That is mechanoreceptor. Baroreceptors are mechanoreceptors located in blood vessels near the heart that provide the brain with information pertaining to blood volume and pressure by detecting the level of stress on vascular walls. As blood volume increases, vessels are stretched and the firing rate of baroreceptors increases. Excretory system. Which one of the following substance is normally found in urine? That is creatinine. Urine is liquid byproduct of the body secreted by the kidney through a process called diurination and excreted through the urethra. The normal chemical composition of urine is mainly water content, but it also includes nitrogenous molecules such as urea, as well as creatinine and other metabolic based components. The basic structural and functional unit of the human kidney is the basic structural and functional unit of human kidney is nephron. Most important question, most repeated question. The basic structural and functional unit of human kidney is nephron. A nephron is the basic functional unit of kidney that consists of a glomerulus and its associated tubulus through which the glomerulus filtrate passes before it emerges as urine. They are the microscopic structure composed of a renal corpuscles and a renal tubule. Each kidney contains about 1 million nephrons. A nephron is a long tubule differentiated into Bowman's capsule. PCT, the loop of Henle, and DCT, each part is having its own particular function. pH value of human urine is acidic with 6 pH. Which of the following organs of the human body produce urea? That is liver. Liver produce the urea. Urea produced in the liver and is a metabolite breakdown product of amino acid. Amino acid catabolism result in the formation of ammonia. The urea cycle is a cycle of biochemical reaction that take place in the liver to produce urea from ammonia. The production and excretion are two different things. Urea is produced by the liver and excreted by kidneys. Which of the following is not a excretory organ? That is spleen. Spleen is not a excretory organ. Kidney excrete the urine, lung excrete the carbon dioxide, liver excretes bile juice and many other enzymes, but spleen is not excretory organ. The excretory system is the excretory system is a collection of organs tasked with removing excess nitrogen and other toxins from the body. The spleen is the organ that is responsible for both the storage and purification of red blood cells. The primary excretory organ in the human body is the kidney. Through these organs, much of the nitrogenous waste of the body, especially urea, is expelled. The nitrogenous waste of human beings is urea. Human beings are ureotelic animals. They excrete mainly urea and eliminated by the urine. Urea is a product of the degradation of amino acids. In this process, amino acids lose their amine group, which is then transformed into ammonia. In liver, ammonia reacts with the carbon dioxide to form urea and water, a process called ureogenesis. The major nitrogenous based product in human beings is urea, mainly excreted as urine. The yellow color of human urine is due to the yellow color of human urine is due to urochrome. I think so. Urochrome. Yes, urochrome. Urobilin or urochrome is the chemical primarily responsible for the yellow color of urine. It is a linear tetrapyrrole compound that, along with the related colorless compound urobilinogen, are degradation products of the cyclic tetrapyrrole heme. Urochrome is the breakdown product of hemoglobin from burnout RBC. Which of the following chemicals is responsible for the yellow color in urine? That is urobilin. Urine color generally ranges from a pale yellow color to deep amber. This coloring is primarily caused by pigment urochrome, also known as urobilin. The pale yellow color of urine is due to the presence of which pigment? That is urochrome. All of the following are excretory based product of animal except carbohydrates. Uric acid is best product of animals. Ammonia is a best product of animal. Urea is a best product of animal. But carbohydrate is not a best or best does not are not best product of human of animals. In animals, the main excretory based products are ammonia, protozoans, crustaceans, platyhelminthes, cnidarians, poriferans, echinoderms, fishes, larvae, tadpoles of amphibian are ammonotolic. Urea, cartilaginous fish, few bony fishes, adult amphibians and mammals including humans are urotolic. Uric acid, terrestrial arthropods, insect, lizards, snakes and birds are uricotolic. Kidney stones are composed of calcium oxalate. Kidney stones form when your urine contains more crystal forming substances such as calcium oxalate and uric acid, then the fluid in your urine can dilute. Most kidney stones are calcium stones, calcium oxalate, calcium phosphate. Oxalate is a substance made daily by your liver or absorbed from your diet. Certain fruits and vegetables as well as nuts and chocolate have high oxalate content. The amount of blood filtered together by both the kidneys in a 17 kilogram adult male human in a minute is it should be 1100 ml. Renal blood flow RBF. Renal blood flow is the volume of blood delivered to the kidney per unit time. In human, the kidney receive roughly 25% of cardiac output, amounting to 1.2 to 1.3 1 liter per minute. In a 17 kg adult male, it passes about 94% to the cortex. Which of the following is an excretory organ of cockroach? Cockroach have the excretory organ of cockroach, Malpighian tubulus. Malpighian tubulus. Cockroaches are insect of the order Blatodia and phylum Arthropoda. About 30 cockroaches species out of 4600 are associated with human habitats. About 5 species are well known as pests. Malpighian tubulus constitutes the excretory organ of cockroaches and other insects. Nephridia are the most generally found excretory organ in earthworms. Nephridia. Nephridia are the most generally found excretory organ in earthworms. The excretory organ of earthworms are nephridia. The excretory organ of cockroach are Malpighian tubulus. Phlegm cells are the platyhelminthes excretory organ. Phlegm cells are the platyhelminthes excretory organs. Identify the organ on both sides of the human body, that is kidney. Kidney are present on both sides of the human body. Kidney are two reddish brown bean shaped organs found in vertebrates. They are located on the left and right in the retroperitoneal space in adult, and in adult humans are about 12 centimeter 4 and 1 by 2 inches in length. They receive blood from the paired renal arteries. Blood exists into the paired renal veins. Each kidney is attached to a ureter, a tube that carries excreted urine to the bladder. With regard to kidney and its function, which of the following statement is not correct? Their basic functional unit are called nephrons. Yes, it is right. The basic functional unit of kidney is nephrons. They maintain water balance and expel metabolic waste. Yes, it is right. The kidney expel metabolic waste. They maintain water balance and expel metabolic waste. Each nephron has two parts, the glomerulus and the renal tubule. Yes, it is right. But A is wrong. Why? Because reptiles have relatively more nephron than birds. Wrong. Reptiles. It is wrong. Reptiles have relatively more nephrons than birds. It's not correct. The major function of the kidney is to remove waste products, and excess fluids are removed through the urine. The production of urine involves highly complex steps of excretion and reabsorption. This process is necessary to maintain a stable balance of body chemicals. Glomerulus and Bowman's Capsules are a part of which part of the body? That is kidney. Bowman's capsules and the glomerulus together constitute the renal capsules. The renal capsules. The renal capsules. In the renal capsules. In the renal capsules, fluids filters out of the body in the glomerulus through the inner wall of the capsule and into the nephron tubule. The glomerulus is a tuft of small blood vessels called capillaries located within Bowman's capsule within the kidney. It helps in the filtration of blood. Which organ is responsible for the removal of nitrogenous waste from the human body? That should be kidney. Yes. The excretory system removes metabolic waste from the body. The major organ of excretion are the kidneys, a pair of bean-shaped organs located below the liver. The kidneys filter blood and regulate water balance in the body. Kidney is responsible for the removal of nitrogenous waste from the human body. Is the tube that carries urine from the kidney to the urinary bladder? That should be ureter. Urine is an excretory product of different living organism which is filtered by kidney. Ureter is the tube that carries urine from the kidney to the urinary bladder. Urine stores in the bladder and remove out through the urethra. Dialysis is advised to the patient in case of which human organ is damaged or not function properly, that is kidney. Dialysis is an artificial process for removing waste products and excess fluids from the kidney, a process that need when the kidney are not functioning properly. There are two types of dialysis: hemodialysis and peritoneal dialysis. In hemodialysis, a mechanic filters waste, salts and fluids from blood, which kidney are no longer healthy enough to do this work adequately. In which part of the excretory system of human body is it stored before passing urine? That is bladder. Urine is formed in the kidneys through the filtration of blood. Urine is formed in kidneys through the filtration of blood. The urine is then passed through the ureters to the bladder where it is stored. During urination, the urine is passed from the bladder through the urethra outside of the body. Nervous system. The amount of light entering into eye can be controlled and regulated by pupil. The amount of light entering into eye can be controlled and regulated by pupil. This constriction and dilation of the pupil is controlled by the muscles attached to it known as the ciliary and radial muscles. The cornea is a part of the human body. The cornea is a part of the eyes in the human body. Cornea is a part of human eye. The light enters to the eye through this transparent medium. Cornea is the part which is transparent for eye surgery. What do you call the transparent front part of the eye? It is cornea. An is a sensory muscular organ in human body. Sensory muscular organ in human body is tongue. A tongue is a sensory muscular organ in human body. Tongue is a muscular organ present in oral cavity, which eases to swallow the food. Tongue help to identify the taste. Its outer layer is covered with papillae and taste buds. Its front part give the taste of sweetness or salty, back part identify bitterness, and the cornea part identify the sour taste. Which one of the following parts of the brain control emotional reaction in our body? That is hypothalamus. Brain is the center of nervous system. It controls and regulates almost every action of the body. Hypothalamus maintains homeostasis such as temperature of body, weight, hunger, thirst, and emotional reaction. Hypothalamus is known as master of master gland because it controls the pituitary gland. Which of the following is not a part of the brain? That is pinna. Human brain along with spinal cords make up the central nervous system of the body. The brain consists of the cerebrum, brain stem, and cerebellum. The brain stem consists of midbrain, pons, and medulla. Pons and medulla. Whereas pinna is the only visible part of the ear with its special helical shape. It is the first part of the ear that reacts with sound, act as funnel which assist in directing the sound further into the ear. The helps in equalizing the pressure on either side of the eardrum, that is eustachian tube. The eustachian tube is a connection between the middle ear and the back of the nose and upper throat. Swallowing or yawning opens the eustachian tube and allows air to flow into or out of the middle ear. This helps equalize pressure on either side of the eardrum. The pigment that gives human skin, hair, and eyes their color is called melanin. Yes. The pigment that gives human skin, hair, and eyes their color is called melanin. Melanin is a broad term for a group of natural pigment found in most organisms. Melanin is produced through a multi-stage chemical process known as melanogenesis, where the oxidation of the amino acid tyrosine is followed by polymerization. The melanin pigments are produced in a specialized group of cells known as melanocytes. These cells protect skin from harmful radiations of sun. The aqueous humor is a part of which body organ of human beings, that is eyes. In between the cornea and lens there is a transparent liquid present which is known as aqueous humor. In the same way, at the back side of retina there is thick transparent liquid present which is known as vitreous humor. Both help in refraction of light in the eye. Which of the following is a delicate membrane having enormous number of light sensitive cells in the human eye? That is retina. Retina consists of optic nerves which generates electric impulses. The images are formed on retina. It sends these impulses to brain and then brain identify the image of objects. Which part of the human eye is responsible for the conversion of light into electrical impulse? That is retina. The retina is a thin layer of tissue that lies at the back inside of the eye. It is located near the optic nerve. The purpose of the retina is to receive light that the lens has focused, convert the light in neural signals, and send these signals on to the brain for visual recognition. Which of the following plays an important role in regulating the amount of light entering into the eyes, that is pupil. Iris has a hole known as pupil, which is round and black in color. The light enters through cornea and passes through iris, incident on lens. Pupil has the capacity to increase its size in darkness and reduces when exposed into the light. This is how eye regulate the quantity of light. Which of the following control the amount of light entering the eye, that is iris? ए इरिस नहीं होगा, पपिल क्यों नहीं है? Iris has a hole known as pupil. Oh, iris also known as pupil. Iris has a hole known as pupil. Iris also known as pupil. Iris has a hole known as pupil, which is round and black in color. The light enters through cornea and passes through iris, incident on lens. Pupil has the capacity to increase its size in darkness and reduce when exposed into the light. This is how eye regulate the quantity of light. Which of the following control the amount of light entering the eye, iris या pupil? When humans see an object, its inverted real image is formed on the retina. Retina is the inner part of the eye, which is made up of many layers such as fibers, nerves, cones and rods. Rods help to produce light in the dark condition. The image formed on retina is real and inverted. Which of the following control the size of pupil in human eye, that is iris? The size of pupil is controlled by the activities of two muscles, the circumferential sphincter muscle found in the margin of the iris, innervated by the parasympathetic nervous system, and the iris dilator muscles running radially from the iris root to the peripheral border of the sphincter. Iris is a ring of muscle in the colored part of the eye that control the size of the pupil. What is the function of an important part of the human eye? The iris control pupil size. Iris control the size of the pupil, which regulate the light entering into the eye. Iris provide the color to the eye. The transparent front part of the eye is called cornea. Cornea is a transparent outer structure of eye. Light enters into the eye through this part. When cornea structure is distorted, humans start to face blurred vision problem. This is called astigmatism. Melanin is a pigment that protects the eye from the ultraviolet rays. Melanin is a colored pigment present in the body, giving different color to the eye, lens, hair and skin. The melanocyte cell produce melanin in it, protects eyes from the UV rays and act as sunscreen. Eyes must be removed within after the death for eye donation, that is 6 hours. Eye must be removed within 6 hours after the death for eye donation. Facts about eye donation. Eye can be donated only after death. Eye can be donated only after death. Eye must be removed within 4 to 6 hours after death. Eye can be removed by a registered medical particular practitioners only. Eye removal does not delay the funeral since the entire procedure takes 20 to 30 minutes only. Eye removal does not delay the funeral since the entire procedure takes 20 to 30 minutes only. The eye bank team will visit the home of the deceased or the hospital to remove the eyes. A person with hypermetropia cannot see nearby object clearly. Hypermetropia, sometimes called hyperopia, is the term used to define being long-sighted. If you are hypermetropic, the image of a nearby object is formed behind the retina. This means that light is focused too far back in the eye, causing things which are closed up to appear blurred. The near point of a person suffering from hypermetropia is further away from the normal near point 25 centimeter. A person with hypermetropia cannot see nearby object clearly. Which of the following gets activated upon illumination and generates electrical signals? That is light sensitive cell. The retina has numerous light sensitive cells that get activated upon illumination and generate electrical signals. These signals are sent to the brain by the optic nerves. The brain interprets the information so that we see objects as they are. Light sensitive cells are known as photoreceptors. There are two types of photoreceptor in retina, rods and cones. Which among the following constitute the central nervous system in human body? That is both brain and spinal cord. It is right. The central nervous system consists of the two major structures, the brain and spinal cord. The brain is encased in the skull and protected by cranium. The spinal cord is continuous with the brain and lies caudally to the brain. It is protected by the vertebrae. The nervous system has two main parts. The CNS is made up of the brain and spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system is made up of nerves that branch of the spinal cord and extend to all parts of the body. The human eye forms the image of an object at its retina. An image is formed on the retina with the light rays converging most at the cornea, and upon entering and exiting the lens, rays from the top and bottom of the object are traced and produce an inverted real image on the retina. The purpose of the retina is to receive light that the lens has focused, convert the light into neural signals, and send these signals on the brain for visual recognition. It is located near the optic nerve. The eye lens forms which type of image on retina? That is inverted and real. What is the cause of rise of myopia? Excessive curvature of the eye lens. Eyeball become too small. Focal length of eye lens become too long. Lack of sleep. That is excessive curvature of the eye lens. A person with myopia can see nearby object clearly but cannot see distant object distinctly. A person with this defect has the far point nearer than infinity. In a myopic eye, the image of distant object is formed in front of retina and not at retina itself, either because of the excessive curvature of the eye lens or elongation of the eyeball. The disease myopia is also known as, that is, nearsightedness. The disease myopia is also known as nearsightedness. Lacrimal glands are situated in the eye orbit. The lacrimal gland is located within the orbit above the lateral end of the eye. It continuously releases fluid which is cleanses and protects the eye surface as it lubricates and moistens it. These lacrimal secretions are commonly known as tears. Motor skills are associated with which part of the brain? That is frontal lobe. The frontal lobes are the largest of the four lobes responsible for many different functions. These includes motor skills such as voluntary movement, speech, intellectual, and behavioral functional. The areas that produce movement in part of the body are found in the primary motor cortex or precentral gyrus. When we see an object, the image formed on the retina is real and inverted. Real and inverted. The image of an object is always real and inverted form on the retina of the eye because eye lens can change its focal length to adjust the object distance, so that always real and inverted image is formed on the retina. Our eye lens is biconvex lens of varying focal length. Hence image formed at retina is real and inverted image, and retina is responsible for the conversion of image of an object into neural signals.